So this is the dock for South Bend. Pretty much downtown. It's the oyster shucking factory over there. I'm mainly making this video because that across the water was just cow pasture. You see cows out there still, but now they're building something. What could they possibly be building? That I am curious about. Oh, it's beeping for some weird reason. I thought they wanted to give money. So this is the South Bend Library. Alright, looking up and down this sidewalk. As I walk down it, I see all these salal untouched. Why that is, I don't know. I think maybe this could be poison oak, and that might detract people from wanting to pick it, because you got to rub your fingers in that poison oak to reach them. And there's also slugs too. There's a slug right there. Can't really be seen too well. And they can kill with their meningitis poison. I'm risking it though, and see what happens. Poison oak I've had bad reactions with. I walked through it back in Winlock trying to get to Salal, and yeah, my feet kind of reacted a little bit on the skin. I have to look into how I can deal with that better. But I'm going to try to get more of these berries, because they're pretty good. They're appetite suppressant, so they're going to control how much I eat. It'll be difficult. They're mixed in with blackberries. Yeah, I can never, the last meal I had at least, I just couldn't finish it right away for a while compared to other meals, just because the salal is just got something in it. It tastes good. It's not like it's bad to eat, and it's hard to choke down. It's very easy to choke down, but for some reason it's just, I don't desire it as much. And it is known to be an appetite suppressant with the phytochemicals. Okay, so they're going to be moving this whole house, and as you can see, they stacked like a Jenga this roof. I want to save that, and you can look underneath. There's more of those blocks like Jenga. I'm not sure if they're taking the garage. It seems like they might want to save that if they're going to save this roof too. You can see the doors right there. It's already, I think this is as high as normally is. Yeah, they got all these blocks that they just keep stacking underneath. They gotta slowly jack it up. Looks like they're mainly focusing on jacking up the house. So this house is actually at a higher level. Maybe they're just raising it for flooding. It's hard to say. They could either be moving it or raising it up to handle future flooding. Yeah, there's spare blocks right there. But it can't possibly be a cheap job to do. They got some kind of I don't know, wiring or the crane must have been taken off. Oh, yeah, they must have some kind of a crane, or is this it? That's all the tools they need. I don't really see the jacks. It's hard to say. It looks like an older house. At the post office right ahead. Got this second-hand store, thrift store. And there's always stuff being donated. You always find stuff back here. It's nothing I can use though. Pioneer grocery store up ahead with the internet. Library back there. Cat running across the driveway. So it's a big old mountain in the background. There's water though that separates it from here. Coast Seafood. They employ a lot of people. I don't know if that can be seen. 56 degrees. World's largest oyster is like on display over on the coast there. So the world's largest oyster on display. So yeah, that's pretty big. Squash. The Pacific County Museum has got great hours, 11 to 4 every day of the week. Back at the courthouse. I came here last year and got my new car plates and driver's license. Actually, just car plates. I got my driver's license in Hoquiam. So there's a little pond off to the left. This is a good exercise coming up here. You really gotta climb a hill. It's great flood protection. That'll maintain a good historic building for quite a while. Cop is checking me out. I think he just works for the sheriff department. Alright, so I feel my heart skipping a beat ever so slightly every so often. And that's usually a sign of an infection. And I think maybe it came about from eating either the plums, salal, or blackberries. I think it's more likely the plums. But it just started last night in the morning, and it can get worse. I just have to see where it wants to take me. But it's in the past, it's always been a sign of an infection. It starts out that way.